Let's make some cheddar biscuits. That's 2 cups of flour I sifted into that bowl, and then I added a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and about a half teaspoon of cayenne, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, and then a stick of butter I grated up, and a cup of cheese, cheddar cheese that I grated up. And that's 3/4 cup of buttermilk. And just stir that all up. And once you get it all stirred up, put it on your board and roll it out. And roll it out a bunch of times. And get you a knife and scrape it up and fold it over. Roll it out. Scrape it up. Roll it over. Fold it over. Roll it out, roll it out, scrape it up, fold it over. It does come together here in a little bit, I promise. Just keep rolling, scraping, folding. It will get there. Just keep doing it. Don't give up. Just keep scraping, folding, rolling, and scraping, and folding, and rolling, and rolling, and rolling, and scraping, and folding, and rolling, and roll it some more, and scraping, and folding, and rolling, and rolling, and scraping, and folding, and rolling, and you will get there, I promise. Just keep rolling and scraping and folding and rolling and rolling and rolling, and then you can cut out your biscuits and you can brush them with that buttermilk. Make sure you don't put the pan in too clear of view so that you can see anything you're doing. But then they turn out looking like that, and they're good.